ಅನುದಿನ ಅನುಕ್ಷಣ ಮನೆಯಲ್ಲೂ ಕಲಿಯೋಣ ಕಲಿಕೆಯ ಹೊಸ ಹಾದಿಯಲಿ ಜೊತೆಗೂಡಿ ಹೆಜ್ಜೆಯ ಹಾಕೋಣ ಸಂತಸದಿ ಕಲಿಯೋಣ ನಮ್ಮ ಹೆಮ್ಮೆಯ ಈ ಕ್ಲಾಸಿನಲ್ಲಿ.
Yes, sir. Yes, teacher. Present, ma'am.
Greetings children, welcome to the E-class learning program of 10th standard. We have discussed the pair of linear equations in two variables in our early classes. Now this is the fourth session we are learning here. As I told, it is in the page number 63 to 94 of Karnataka state syllabus. Children, we have already learned that there are different methods to find the solution for a pair of simultaneous linear equations. It is broadly classified as geometric way and algebraic way. As we have discussed already algebraic ways, we learned all the three methods there. For geometric method, the method is called as graphical method. For algebraic method, we already discussed elimination method, where first eliminate any one of the constant, that is x or y, so that we substitute there and we find out the solutions for those equations. And another one is substitution method. We first write x in the form of y or y in the form of x and substitute is in the any one of the equation, find out the value of x or y, then we will move on to find out the value of another unknown term, that is x or y. Children, another method is cross multiplication method. Today we shall discuss about graphical method. Children, what do you mean by graphical method? As already told in the previous class, please keep graph sheet, scale, pencil and textbook with you children. Now let us take one example to solve how to solve the equations using graphical method. Okay na children, are you ready? The method is graphical method. Problem is like this. Solve the following equations graphically. In exam also they will specify solve the following equations graphically or solve the following equations using elimination method, like that they will specify. Here solve the following equations graphically. What is the first equation? X plus y is equal to 4. Another equation is x minus y is equal to 2. First we shall write y in the form of x. X plus y is equal to 4. Then y becomes 4 minus x, because we are shifting left hand side part to right hand side and it becomes opposite sign, that is 4 minus x. Y is equal to 4 minus x. Let us give the values. Let take x is equal to 0. Then y becomes, y is equal to 4 minus x, that is what we have given value for x, 0, that is 4 minus 0, that is equal to 4. Write this in the tabular form. Write the value of x. What we have given x, 0. What y becomes? Y becomes 4. Now let us give the value of x is equal to 1. Then substitute the value of x in the equation, that is y is equal to 4 minus x, that is 4 minus 1, that is equal to 3. Again write down. When x becomes 1, y becomes 3. Next give the value of x as 2. Let x is equal to 2, then y becomes 4 minus x is equal to 4 minus 2, that is 2. When x becomes 2, y also becomes 2, right. Next again give value of x as 3. Now when we put value of x as 3, y becomes 4 minus x, that is 4 minus 3, that is equal to 1. Let us write down that one also. And again we will give the value of x as 4, then y is equal to 4 minus x, that is 4 minus 4, that is equal to 0. When x becomes 4, y becomes 0. Children, here I have taken 5 different values for x and y. For any graph, at least minimum 3 values is required. We substituted the value of x in first equation and we will get the value for y. Now, let us do for second equation, x minus y is equal to 2. We have to take the value of y. So, shift y to right side and 2 to left side. What it becomes? Yes, y is equal to x minus 2. It becomes y is equal to x minus 2. Again, same procedure. Give the value for x as 0, y is equal to x minus 2, that is 0 minus 2, that is equal to minus 2. Put it in the table. X y, when x becomes 0, y becomes minus 2. Now, let us give value of x as 1. Children, observe here, y is equal to x minus 2, that is 1 minus 2, that is equal to minus 1. When x becomes 1, y becomes minus 1. Again, give the value of x as 2, y is equal to x minus 2, that is 2 minus 2, that is equal to 0. Then, when x becomes 2, y becomes 0. Now, again give the value of x as 3, y is equal to x minus 2, that is 3 minus 2, that is equal to 1. When x becomes 3, y becomes 1. Again give the value of x as 4. Let x is equal to 4, y is equal to x minus 2, that is 4 minus 2, that is equal to 2. When x becomes 4, y becomes 2. This is the simple procedure first we have to follow to find the solution for any equations in graphical method. We have to substitute the value of x and y, so that we will get the coordinates of x and y to plot in the graph, children. Now, let us move on to plot the graph. First, take first table, that is x y. Second table x y. If you want to plot any graph, without fail you have to write scale. First, scale is very important. Here the scale is x and y axis, 1 centimeter is equal to 1 unit. So, when x becomes 0, y becomes 4. Mark the point 0, 4. Where is 0, 4? Yes, x is 0, y is 4. And again 1, 3. X 1 unit, 3 unit, y axis. Again 2, 2. Again 3, 1. Again 4, 0. This is the value we get for first equation. Now, just join all the points, it will become one straight line when you join all these points. And again for second equation, 0, minus 2, 1, minus 1, yes, correct, 2, 0, right, 3, 1, right, 4, 2. Again join all these points here also, children. It will also become one straight line. Now, children, it is your turn to identify the intersecting point of those two lines. It is intersecting at 3, 1. Am I right? Yes, right horizontal line and vertical line, perpendicular line. Mark that point. That point is 3, 1. Correct, children? Distance between y axis to that point is 3 units, that is x coordinate, and distance between that point to x axis is 1 unit, that is y coordinate. The solution is 3, 1. Here x coordinate is 3, x coordinate is 3 and y coordinate is 1. So, solution here we writing as x is equal to 3 and y is equal to 2, children. For your reference, you may verify this. I am not going to verify this. You can verify this by putting x is equal to 3 and y is equal to 1. Okay, children? Okay. Next, move on to next question, children. Children, this graphical method is very important for the point of examination of you. Solve the following equations graphically. X plus y is equal to 4, x plus y is equal to 7. What is the first procedure? Take first equation, make y, what y becomes here? Y is equal to 4 minus x. We have to substitute for the value of y. So, y is equal to 4 minus x here. So, again same procedure, let take x is equal to 0, then what y becomes? Y is equal to 4 minus x, that is 4 minus 0, that is 4. What is the next step? Create a table and write x value and y value. When x becomes 0, y becomes 4. Again take another value, x is equal to 1. When x becomes 1, y becomes 4 minus 1, that is 3. So, write in this in the table also, that is 1 comma 3. Next, solve this equation, children. Next value, x is equal to 2. What y becomes? Y is equal to 4 minus x, that is 4 minus 2, that is equal to 2. So, x coordinate and y coordinate both becomes 2 only. When we put x is equal to 3 here, then y is equal to 4 minus x, that is 4 minus 3, that is also equal to 1. So, when writing in the table 3 comma 1, when x becomes 3, y becomes 1, very good. Now, give another value, x is equal to 4, I am giving x is equal to 4, then y becomes 4 minus x, that is 4 minus 4, that is equal to 0. So, when x becomes 4, y is equal to 0. Then take second equation, children, x plus y is equal to 7. Then represent the equation in the form of y, that is y is equal to 7 minus x, y is equal to 7 minus x. Yes. So, when x is equal to 0, y is equal to 7 minus x, that is 7 minus 0, that is also equal to 7. So, write this in the table, children, x coordinate and y coordinate. When x is equal to 0, y is equal to 7. Yes, correct. When x is equal to 1, y is equal to 7 minus x, that is 7 minus 1 is equal to 6. When x is equal to 1, y becomes 6. Then when x is equal to 2, y is equal to 7 minus x, that is 7 minus 2, that is equal to 5. Correct, children. Then when x is equal to 3, y is equal to 7 minus x, that is 7 minus 3, that is equal to 4. So, write this in the table. Yes, write down. Now, when x is equal to 4, y is equal to 7 minus 4, that is 7 minus x, that is equal to 7 minus 4, y is equal to 3. Write that in the table, children. Now, table look like this, x coordinates 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, y coordinates 7, 6, 5, 4, 3. Let us plot this in the graph. First step, you have to write down the scale. So, this is the first equation. Write down the scale, x and y axis, 1 centimeter is equal to 1 centimeter. First point 0 comma 4, second point 1 comma 3, yes, third point 2 comma 2, correct, fourth point 3 comma 1, x coordinate 3, y coordinate 1, 4 comma 0. Right, children. Join all these points using scale. Right. Now, second equation, x is equal to 0, y is equal to 7, 0 comma 7, 1 comma 6, right, 2 comma 5, x coordinate 2, y coordinate 5, 3 comma 4, Yes, 4 comma 3. Now join all these points, children. Yes, mark the intersection point, children. Here they are parallel to each other. We won't get any intersection point. In our first class we learned that when two lines becomes parallel, there is no solution. Here also, when these two lines become parallel, there is no solution. There is no solution for such a kind of equations, children. Understand? Okay, let's move on to next problem. Solve the following equations graphically. X plus y is equal to 3. 2x plus 2y is equal to 6. Coefficient of x is 2 and coefficient of y is 2 and constant is 6 here. So, take first equation, solution. First equation, x plus y is equal to 3. Convert this equation in the form of y, that is y is equal to 3 minus x. So, now take x as 0, y becomes 3 minus x, that is 3 minus 0, that is 3 here. Now, what is the step? First construct a table, create a table and mark them, x comma y coordinates. When x becomes 0, y becomes 3, yes. Now, let x is equal to 1, y is equal to 3 minus x, that is 3 minus 1. What is the value of 3 minus 1? Yes, 2. So, write down x is equal to 1, y is equal to 2 here, children. So, now x is equal to 2. When x is equal to 2, y becomes 3 minus x, that is 3 minus 2, that is 3 minus 2 means 1. Yes, x is equal to 2, y is equal to 1. Now, when x is equal to 3, y is equal to 3 minus x, that is 3 minus 3, 3 minus 3 becomes 0. So, x coordinate 3, y coordinate 0. And again one more, x is equal to 4, then y becomes 3 minus x, that is 3 minus 4, that is minus 1, children. So, x coordinate is 4, y coordinate is minus 1. This is for first equation, children. For second equation, let us see. What is second equation? 2x plus 2y is equal to 6. Then 2x plus 2y is equal to 6. Transfer 2x to right side, it becomes minus 2x, 6 minus 2x. The coefficient of y is 2, and when we divide both sides by 2, left hand side 2 will get cancelled and becomes y, y is equal to 6 minus 2x divided by 2. Let us substitute the values. X is equal to 0. When x is equal to 0, y is equal to 6 minus 2x divided by 2, that is 6 minus 2 into 0, that is 0, 6 minus 0 divided by 2, that is 6 by 2, that is 3, children. When, what is the next step? Yes, create a table x, y. When x coordinate becomes 0, y coordinate becomes 3. Now, when x becomes 1, y is equal to 6 minus 2x by 2, that is 6 minus 2 into 1 divided by 2. Y is equal to 6 minus 2 into 1 divided by 2, that is 6 minus 2. 2 into 1 means 2 only, 6 minus 2 by 2, that is 4 by 2, that is 2. So, x coordinate is 1, y coordinate is 2. And again put the value of x as 2, y is equal to 6 minus 2x divided by 2, that is 6 minus 2 into 2 divided by 2, that is 6 minus 4 divided by 2, that is 2 by 2, that is equal to 1. So, when x becomes 2, y becomes 1, right, children. Next step you have to do, when x becomes 3, yes, y is equal to 6 minus 2 into 3 by 2, that is 6 minus 6 divided by 2. 6 minus 6 becomes 0, 0 by 2, 0 divided by anything is always 0, we know it. So, when x coordinate becomes 3, y coordinates become 0. And again one more value, let us take x is equal to 4. When x becomes 4, y is equal to 6 minus 2x divided by 2, that is 6 minus 2 into 4 divided by 2, that is 6 minus 8 divided by 2. 6 minus 8 means minus 2, yes, very good, minus 2 divided by 2, that is minus 1. So, when x becomes 4, y becomes minus 1. This is the coordinates, we got it children. Now, next step is plotting a graph. For plotting graph, first step, mark down the scale. Take first equation. What is the first equation? 0, 3. Scale is again x and y axis 1 centimeter is equal to 1 unit. 0, 3, 1, 2, 2, 1, yes, very good. 3, 0, right. 4, minus 1. Next step, join all these points, it becomes one straight line. Now, x coordinate 0, 3, again same 1, 2, 2, 1, 3, 0, 4, minus 1. Mark those points, draw a straight line. What are you observing here children? What are you observing? Those two lines are coinciding on each other, that is overlapping on each other. So, when two lines coincides on each other, then there is infinite number of solutions. So, here lines are coincident, so infinite solutions are there. There is no particular single solution, there are infinite number of solutions. Okay children, we discussed this in our first class itself children, just recall those. For intersecting lines there are only one solution, there is for intersecting lines there is only one solution, that is unique solution. For parallel lines there are no solutions, for coinciding lines there are infinite solutions. Children, next let us take one more example. Solve the following equations graphically. X plus y is equal to 5, 2x minus y is equal to 4. So, write the terms of x in the terms of y, that is y is equal to 5 minus x, nice. Now, give the values for x, just do yourself children, I will give time. Yes, x is equal to 0, when we take x is equal to 0, y becomes 5 minus x, y becomes 5 minus x, that is 5 minus 0, that y coordinate becomes 5. Children, observe here, next step, yes, we have to create a table, x and y coordinates, when x becomes 0, y becomes 5. Next point, how much value you take? Is it necessary to take x as 1 only? There is no hard and fast rule to take such a value children. You may take any value, but at least minimum 3 points is necessary. So, x is equal to 2, here I am taking x as 2. So, then y becomes 5 minus x, that is 5 minus 2, that is 3. When x coordinate becomes 2, y coordinates becomes 3. Yes children, next, what value you take? I took x as 4. So, then y is equal to 5 minus x, 5 minus 4, that is 1, correct? Right children, when x is equal to 4, y is equal to 1. Then what is the value of x? Let us take value of x as 6. Value of y becomes, y is equal to 5 minus x, 5 minus 6, that is minus 1. So, when value of x becomes 6, value of y becomes minus 1. The coordinate is 6 comma minus 1. So, then I will take the value of x as 8. Nice children. Then y becomes 5 minus x, that is 5 minus 8, that is minus 3. 8 comma minus 3. Right children. Next question is 2x minus y is equal to 4. Then y becomes, just interchange y and constant value, that is y and 4. Shift y to right side, 4 to left side. What it becomes? Y is equal to, yes, y is equal to 2x minus 4. Let x is equal to 0, y becomes 2x minus 4 is equal to, what is 2x minus 4? 2 into 0 minus 4, that is 2 into 0, 0. 0 minus 4, that is minus 4. Write it in the table. When x becomes 0, y becomes minus 4. In the same way, let x is equal to 2. Again I am skipping here children, I am taking 2 only here also. Y is equal to 2x minus 4. 2x means 2 into 2 minus 4. 4 minus 4, 0. So, when x is equal to 2, y is equal to 0. When we put x is equal to 4, y is equal to 2x minus 4. That is 2 into 4 minus 4. 2 4s are 8. 8 minus 4, that is 4. When x becomes 4, y also becomes 4 only. Then when x becomes 6, y is equal to 2x minus 4, that is 2 into 6 minus 4, that is 12 minus 4, that is 8. When x becomes 6, y becomes 8. Then take the value of x as 8 here children. So, let x is equal to 8, then y is equal to 2x minus 4. 2 into 8 minus 4, that is 16 minus 4, that is 12. So, 8 and 12. Write on the first table. Write on the scale here. Scale is very important. X and y axis is equal 1 centimeter is equal to 1 unit. So, when x becomes 0, y becomes 5, x becomes 2, y becomes 3, 2 comma 3, yes, nice, 4 comma 1, 6 comma minus 1, 8 comma minus 3. Join all these points, it will become one straight line. Now, x is 0, y is minus 4, right, x is 2, y is 0, x is 4, y is also 4, x is 6, y is 8, 6 comma 8, 8 comma 12. Join all these points children. Mark the intersection point. Where is that horizontal line meets y axis and where is this perpendicular line meets x axis children. It will meet x axis in the point 3 and meets y axis in 2. So, the point is 3 comma 2. We get the solution x is equal to 3 and y is equal to 2. I am giving some problems for practice. Just try these problems and show the solutions to your teachers children. You may verify yourself. So, first problem, solve the following equations graphically. X plus y is equal to 7, x minus y is equal to 3. So, second question, x plus y is equal to 4, 2x plus y is equal to 6. So, third problem, x plus y is equal to 2, x plus y is equal to 5. In our next class, we shall discuss about some word problems there, children. Till then, this is Girish, assistant high school teacher, Devanalli Taluk, Jalige. Thank you, children.
ಅನುದಿನ